Hi guys! First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Jairo B. Paldas. I'm from Panakan, Nara, Palawan. I'm studying at Palawan Polytechnic College Incorporated. I'm taking the course of Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. And now, let us discuss about the data processing. Okay, what is data processing? Data processing occurs when data is collected and translated into usable information, usually performed by a data scientist or team of data scientists. It is important for data processing to be done correctly as not to negatively affect the end product or data output. Data processing starts with data in its raw form and converts it into a more readable format, graphs, documents, etc., giving it the form of and context necessary to be interpreted by computers and utilized by employees throughout an organization. This is the 6 stages of data processing. First, data collection. Collecting data is the first step in data processing. Data is pulled from available sources, including data lakes and data warehouses. It is important that the data sources available are trustworthy and well built so the data collected and later used as information is of the highest possible. The second is data preparation. Once the data is collected, it then enters the data preparation stage. Data preparation, often referred to as pre-processing, is the stage at which raw data is cleaned up and organized for the following stage of data processing. During preparation, raw data is diligently checked for any errors. The purpose of this step is to eliminate bad data, redundant, incomplete, or incorrect data, and begin to create high-quality data for the best business intelligence. The third is data input. The clean data is then entered into its destination, perhaps a CRM like Salesforce or a data warehouse like Redshift, and translated into a language that it can understand. Data input is the first stage in which raw data begins to take the form of usable information. The fourth is processing. During this stage, the data inputted to the computer in the previous stage is actually processed for interpretation. Processing is done using machine learning algorithms. Through the process itself may vary slightly depending on the source of data being processed. Data, lakes, social networks, connected devices, etc., and its intended use, examining advertising patterns, medical diagnosis from connected devices, determining customer needs, etc. The fifth is data output or interpretation. The output or interpretation stage is the stage at which data is finally usable to non-data scientists. It is translated, readable, and often in the form of graphs, videos, images, plain text, etc. Members of the company or institution can now begin to self-serve the data for their own data analytics projects. Okay, this is the future of data processing. The future of data processing lies in the cloud. Cloud technology builds on the convenience of current electronic data processing methods and accelerates its speed and effectiveness. Faster, higher quality data means more data for each organization to utilize and more valuable insights to extract. From data processing to analytics, big data is changing how all of us do business today. Remaining agile and competitive depends on having a clear, effective data processing strategy. While the 6 steps of data processing won't change, the cloud has driven huge advances in technology that deliver the most advanced, cost-effective, and faster data processing methods today. This is the last but not the least, the number 6, data storage. The final stage of data processing is the storage. After all of the data is processed, it is then stored for future use. While some information may be put to use immediately, much of it will serve a purpose later on. Plus, properly stored data is a necessity for compliance with data protection legislation like GDPR. When data is properly stored, it can be quickly and easily accessed by members of the organization when needed. Hey, that's all about. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.